Back for more. He's going about his business. That's it. I'm obsessing on this red-headed woodpecker today, you think? You don't see him that often, so and the grackles don't seem to bother him. See what happens when he gets closer. He's not afraid of those grackles, that's for sure. Or the blue jay. Look at him. There he goes. Over on the ground.
And chase the blue jay.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, he's feisty. He's got a little big pill going as far as intimidation. Nothing seems to bother him too much. The flickers usually aren't bothered too much either, but through the blinds here, so. All right.